Here's all my tomatoes, 450 plants. So today I'm going to tell you what varieties I'm growing and why. Here it is, February 22nd, and today we're up-potting our tomatoes. We planted these the 5th of January. So they've been growing for a while. We've kept them under grow lights. We started to fertilize them, and they're ready to be moved to bigger pots because in about 1 month we'll be selling these, and they'll be ready to go in the ground in the latter half of March. The varieties I'm growing today, this is Sweet Million. This is our favorite cherry tomato. It's an indeterminate, it's a very productive, and it's a hybrid. That's one of the reasons we always grow it. We want something that's very prolific and will do the job and give you lots of tomatoes. This is Celebrity. Celebrity is one of our favorites. It's good growing in hot weather. It's great for Texas. These plants do well. Nice medium-sized round tomato. Also a hybrid. Good disease resistance. The third hybrid we grow is Early Girl. This is a determinate. It's an early producer, thus the name Early Girl. Lots of big, large tomatoes, produce a bunch at one time. It's a bush tomato. Tomato gets somewhere between 3 to 4 feet tall. We grow hybrid tomatoes for those people who have trouble growing tomatoes because they're suited to have good production with a little bit of knowledge. Doesn't take quite as much knowledge as the heirlooms might to grow. This is a new variety we're trying this year. This is Hungarian Heart. So the tomatoes actually grow into the shape of a heart. That way you can say I love you to your Valentine when you have it. It should be a lovely experiment. I have a couple seeds left over from last year. This is Brad's Atomic Grape, another seed variety from Wild Boar Farms. It grows great big large multicolored grape tomatoes. In this flat I got 2 different varieties. I have Wild Boar Farms large barred boar, great big large beefsteak tomato with very predominant stripes on it. And at the end down here I have a couple of Amos Coley left over, a large Roma tomato, also from Wild Boar Farms. This variety is likely to be my record setter. This is the new enhanced version of Solar Flare. The one I had a couple of years ago that measured 5 inches across. It was huge. This is Solar Flare XL. I can't wait to see what this does. We've already up-potted this. This is my favorite variety, Pink Berkeley Tie-Dye. Boy, is it ever odd looking, but it's the best tasting tomato. Has the right amount of sweetness and the right amount of acid. So it's a pink tomato with green metallic stripes on it, and on the inside the meat's bicolored. I promise you, you should try this one. You'll love the taste. So for our tomatoes this year, we're growing about 100 Early Girl, another 100 Celebrity, and probably 100 Sweet Million. Those are our most requested tomatoes because they're all hybrids and very good producers here in Texas. So we're growing a lesser amount of the Pink Berkeley Tie-Dye, which is my favorite. And we're going probably a seed packet worth of the Solar Flare and the Hungarian Heart and the large barred boar. And just a lesser amount of Amos Coley and Atomic Grape because those are the ones that I like the best. I had a few seeds left over from last year. So if you like this on tomatoes I'm growing this year, give me a thumbs up. You want to know more about the success of the tomatoes that we have this year? Be sure to subscribe down below to see future videos. And as usual, come back and see us real soon.